Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the pin on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the settings cog to open the settings menu. Find and tap on pin. Tap Disable Pin. You will now have to enter the current pin. Once you have done that, the pin will be disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.